Well, what going on, my brothers and sisters? It's me, supremejuicenut, back here again for another video. And as you can see, we outside today. We are not indoors. It is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday night at 3:04 a.m. Splendid. Damn, it looks good out here. It's a skateboarding kind of day. So without further ado, let's not waste no more time. Let's get to it. As you can see, the wild bird in the wilderness. You know, honestly, the sound that the fucking wheels make when they smack the ground, man, can't get enough of it. That shit is beautiful. Music to the goddamn ears. Shit is magnificent, spectacular. Goddamn. Hey bros, if you ain't already know, if you are uncultured, you know what I'm saying, if you are not a man of culture, Japanese music go hard as fuck, alright? That shit slap like a motherfucker. I was listening to some Bumper Chicken earlier, and man, them niggas got it. Fuck niggas. Hey man, nature is beautiful as shit. We don't appreciate it enough, really don't. It's beautiful. It really is. This world, this nature, this life.